and I'm going to be showing you how to connect any Bluetooth device to a Chromebook. First, switch on your Bluetooth device. Mine is a speaker, and you should hear a little ding. Even if it doesn't ding, if there's a light on it, that means it is working. Now go down to the bottom right of your Chromebook and click. Then you will see your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth notifications in Nightlight. Press Bluetooth in the bottom arrow. Now you should see all your paired devices if you have one. Then go to the settings up top. It will bring up your settings bar and you get to see all your paired devices if you have them. Go all the way down and go to unpaired devices and click your device. Then it will say it's connecting and you should be connected. Thank you and have